Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Coinbase affiliate program, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Coinbase website at www.coinbase.com. Once on the home page, scroll down to find the footer section. In the footer, look for the link labeled affiliates. Click on the affiliates link to be redirected to the Coinbase affiliate program page. On this page, you will find an overview of the program and its benefits. Look for the Get Started or Sign Up button. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to sign in to your existing Coinbase account. If you don't have an account, select the option to create a new account. Fill in the required information, such as your name, email address, and password. After completing the form, follow the prompts to verify your email address. Once your account is created and verified, log in to your Coinbase account. Navigate back to the affiliate program page. Now, look for the application form to become an affiliate. Fill out the application form with the necessary details. Provide information about how you plan to promote Coinbase. Be clear and concise in your responses. Submit your application when you are finished. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your application status. Wait for Coinbase to review your application. Once approved, you will receive instructions on how to access your affiliate dashboard. In the dashboard, you will find your unique referral link. Use this link to promote Coinbase and earn commissions. Familiarize yourself with the program's terms and conditions. Regularly check your dashboard for updates and earnings. That's it. You are now ready to start promoting the Coinbase affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.